wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyBib Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 10 best golf cart wheels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The No Frills Carlisle Fairway Pro is a run-flat tire with chevron tread that not only displaces water quickly, but is also capable of supporting your cart with little or no pressure, which makes it a solid selection if the areas you frequent are rife with sharp objects. This one's priced right for tight budgets and suitable for mud and snow. However, it doesn't come with a rim. At number 9, if you intend to venture off the beaten track every once in a while, then the beefy Antigo Mater is sure to meet your needs. Their aggressive woven tread and square shoulders can tackle any driving condition and climate, and they make very little noise to boot. They boast minimal rolling resistance and a super stable design, but they might need spacers. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Perfect for commercial and residential use in addition to the course. The Track Guard N788 features a clever grooved structure that expels water and dirt effortlessly to enhance stability, providing reliable and consistent motion over a host of surfaces in the process. It comes with a handy wear indicator and offers an extended service time on pavement. However, it does have to be professionally mounted. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf cart wheels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the pneumatic Northern Tool and Equipment can handle punctures like a pro, and it offers an 18-inch width that provides dependable stability, especially when set against bumpy and uneven terrain. It's hardy enough for track to use, but kind to turf as well. It's equipped with a powder-coated finish and resists corrosion and chipping, but note that lug nuts aren't included. Moving up our list to number 6. Available with black, beige or white steel wheels, the Slusher GTX are well over a foot in diameter and can serve as a great replacement set for damaged rims. Since they provide excellent traction in both wet and dry conditions, a little rain won't impede your game. These don't require new hardware and are ready for installation. However, they perform poorly in cold weather. Halfway up our list at number 5. The set of 4 Antigo assembly were crafted to carry heavy loads without damaging turf, so they're well suited to large groups with plenty of gear, riding lawnmowers and utility vehicles. They're also DOT approved, so you can take them to the streets with confidence. They've got a non-directional tread pattern and glide over paved pathways. These are good value for the money. At number 4, ideal for stock and non-lifted carts, the sleek-looking black steel turf use tough 4-ply nylon and boast aggressive tread that lasts longer than standard sawtooth designs when pitted against grass and dirt, so you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. These are great for lawn mowers too and can bear 815 pounds. They'll fit with any 4x4 lug configuration. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Bulldog machines stand 18 inches tall and are aired up to the correct pressure and mounted before they ship, so they're ready to be bolted onto any brand of cart, including EasyGo and Yamaha. Plus they come bundled with 4 sets of lug nuts for added convenience. These will work without a lift kit and are wrapped with low-profile tires. They're acceptable for all climates. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf cart wheels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Tubeless green ball replacement is a budget-friendly option that will save you in a pinch once your old tires start to go bald or decide to blow out on you. It uses a classic sawtooth groove pattern to provide reliable yet smooth traction over asphalt and turf alike. It comes with an 8-inch white rim and arrives already inflated. It's simple to install. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Silver Bullet Combo are gentle enough for your typical round, yet are still rugged and perfectly capable of taking on pavement too. They feature handsomely polished aluminum that's hard-wearing and easy to maintain, so they'll stay looking brand new for years to come. This is a DOT-approved set with chrome center caps. No modifications are necessary. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf cart wheels, or simply click beneath this video.